Only attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it seems Vybz Kartel's statement and feelings about the utilities company locally, JPS, is the same or remains true for a lot of the Jamaicans, viewers and subscribers who are facing somewhat of a strange increase in their utility bills. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel shared a video about 9 years ago. Yeah, run about. I'm free the teacher. A good one of them have the teacher and lawfully behind the bar. Free the teacher. Now, viewers and subscribers, the teacher's statement was that after noticing that his bill jumped from 15,000, which is still a substantial amount, a whole heap of money, to 71,000. I don't know, it's all like me. I paid down for a house. I don't know. Now, viewers and subscribers, he's saying that he noticed that after changing the title, ownership title of that particular property and putting his own name on it, him say notice the bills just start for increase. Him say after him put Adidja Palmer as owner of the property, the very next bill was 63,000, in which he stated in the video he would not be paying, viewers and subscribers. Now, protesters have also started to voice their concern and are using the same slogan from Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, to show their, their disappreciation for the way that bills are being calculated locally and calling for some form of transparency to how the bills are calculated, viewers and subscribers, because them always say our oil, and we know recently them say oil prices were the lowest they have been for years, and them still say oil is too much for them. I don't know how much they will expect the oil price to drop to $0. They may not plan to get oil for free. It's so like not plan to get oil for free. Now, viewers and subscribers, the senior vice president for customer services, Mr. Ramsey McDonald, says he apologizes, viewers and subscribers, for the perception of the service to the customers, or how the customers are now perceiving it, that unscrupulous acts are being done when their bills are being calculated. Where recently even the government did step in on JPS, but how coincidental after them start to point out where Vybz Kartel is, viewers and subscribers, because what Vybz Kartel said was a true story. Him say him left and go up on tour. I'm not specifically sure, but I think I went in did go to Trinidad and Europe and Suriname and some place. And him say when him return home, him realize say, yo, the bill with them left, I don't know, since they changed the name, it's going to be addressed to you. It's not addressed to the name that was on the property before all paperwork got signed over. Just jump. Remember, we were not hearing. If anything, the bill should be less, because if the previous owners who lived there and lived there every day and use utilities every day, did I pay 15? Let's just say 15. How can we now attain the property, leave for months, or for a month? Let's just say for a month. Okay, he never said bills, he said a bill. So we leave for a month. Remember, we have acquired the property. But here we go on. Let's say this. Let's say we have acquired the property 2 months now. But you see, the first bill we get, remember, all paperwork have not been signed off, man. So the bill we receive, it's still in your name. Let's say a year also buy. So the bill is still in your name. Use the normal citizen. You have to pay 15. So How we know this? Because the next bill that it forward, you still own the property, but you didn't live there. But it forward and say 15. You know it's something good. I'm going to estimate that bill as well. Now we change over the name. So we named upon everything. We don't have the name upon the property and all the utilities now. And the next bill, remember we leave the island now. Them don't know this. We have now left the island. Forward back, forward black. See the bill. And the bill jumped to 63. That's normal. And the teacher had the proof. You need to have the bill them. They don't like when you have the proof. You know? The same like ask if I have the bill. Because they know more likely you don't have the bill. You know? Yeah, because pieces of paper, they know you don't know paper deteriorate over time. So they know say more likely you don't have the bill and you can't find it. And if even piece of the bill tear out, the matter say it can't use. Try carry a bill with piece side tear off. The matter say the number they must search for. Specific, all if I just one piece of the number part here, they must say, yo, it's the number we are looking for. It's gone. So now we can't use this bill as reference, even though everything is on the computer. Why you need a bill? You know, all is supposed to need a name. Because since you have charged me, there should be a digital reference should be there too as well. Because remember, I type up these things, even for machine type them up and print them out. There has to be some form of place where this data is entered. You most can retrieve it. So why I need to have my bill? My name upon the bill, I should need my ID and the account number which I can go right and go deal what I need to deal with. But something not going up there. Something I don't know what they just feel like say, yo, Jamaicans we just pay X. And would you believe that I think we as a nation in right across the world, I think we are in the bracket of paying the highest cost for electricity. Just for that alone. We're not talking about all utilities like water and other things. No. Just that alone. We're in the bracket of some of the people who pay the highest fees right across the world. But I understand why. We used to get even oil from countries nearby because of some kind of deal we'd have. You know what I mean? Some don't know them never get some of the oil. Even this year, with what go on worldwide, we hear the oil prices drop dramatically. The man them will sell oil. I wonder what go on. Yet still, JP still will say, yo, because the price of oil, light bill I forgot high. I better them use something else. I better them just say, yo, because we short of some money. You see me? We are gonna make you know say the bill are X. Better them say that because them continue to give 2 and 3 different statements. Them said oil, then them say no, because of the theft of electricity. That's why other people have got pay fee. But they know that's on our way. So when them say that, and them realize the people look upon them like, I bet they just really look upon me and tell me say because them people that do that, me have to go pay fee. Oh, I'm to know. Then them circle back and say, well, the oil, you know, the oil expensive. Them continue to just run circles around the people. Never giving them a straight answer. When them can't say the oil, them say because people are thief light. When them can't say because of that, them say because of the oil. Them continue to circle around these two things, viewers and subscribers, and tell whichever one sounds more fitting depending upon the people them are talking to. If them uptown, them talk about the oil. If them not the garrison, them tell you say because they neighbor take light. Feeling like them smart. Not realizing that, yo, people realize that the same story now tell you over and over again. I feel like the 80s this. This is a new millennium, a different generation. You can't use them style of power right now. Now about that insult to intelligence. Do not do that. Do not use the same statements over and over again for try run in a circle. Most of these people we are talking to are actually more intelligent than you. Some of these same citizens we are referred to and I talk to, whether you are talking about school certification or just overall intelligence. Now for these citizens are more intelligent than these people who are forwarding out publicly make them statements on behalf of these companies. So when people hear them make some statements, we are look upon we are saying really tell intelligent people them things. Who don't feel like we not deal with? Talk to them in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. This is definitely something that is of importance to everybody who reside on the island, rich or poor. Because as you see, they must say, uptown bill so start got 200 and 300,000. Or you take a feel when you live on the island, no, sir, $250,000 a month for your light bill, you're not out of the way. Them spike, they gonna fake it to do. think about it. A food for thought. This affect everybody. Them need to show some transparency on how them calculate bill. So we can tell them, say, you can't use that to calculate bill. And you can't tell me about the oil price drop. No one answer to me. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah, man, now move settings fam. I wouldn't need no ladder. You know the settings, viewers and subscribers. My sentiments for you and viewers are going to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.